So, pasok po tayo. Yan. As you can see, grabe. What you could say is just, oh, super ganda. So, makikita po natin itong dining area natin is napaka-hotel-inspired talaga. So, kung kayo nakapag-check-in na sa 5-star hotel, ganito po yung vibes. And actually, according to the seller, no, so itong mga pinagawa niya interior actually is inspired by Shangri-La Hotel. So, makikita natin dito po sa ating dining table. It's a 5-seater. Round marble table, customized po ito from Pampanga with Lazy Susan pa po. Yan. So, comfy na comfy. Imagine dining in with your family members. So, napaka-social. Even pwede kayo mag-meeting dito. Merong chandelier and cove. May kasama na rin pong aircon dito sa area ito. Lahat po ng aircon inclusive po. Lahat ng makikita nyong dining, lahat ng chairs, furnitures and fixtures kasama po. Even on the other side, merong painting na minimalist pero bagay na bagay po. Even the walls around is made out of premium wallpaper. Meron na rin pong intercom system and meron po dyang round mirror para po ma-accentuate yung ating area. Hi, good afternoon everyone. A blessed afternoon to everyone. To all my viewers out there, how are you? I hope all is well with you. So this afternoon, it's another exciting property feature here in Quezon City, very nearby Sampaloc area. Actually, kung makikita nyo, safe and quiet sa road na to at napaka-wide po. So both side, may mga nakapark pero malaki pa rin po yung daan. So on this corner, makikita nyo po yung Sun Residences. Just around 2 minutes walk lang po, napakalapit. On the other side naman po, yun yung Dapitan. So sa mga mag-aaral po sa UST, so isang ride lang po. So napakalapit lang po even sa Banawe. 6 minutes away lang po and even sa Suki Mart. Our property feature this afternoon is a hotel-inspired 4-story townhouse unit with a lot area of 52.5 square meters and a floor area of 190 square meters. So tara, pasok po tayo. So entering the gate, as you can see, meron tayong 2-car garage na full size po. So makikita nyo, kasyang-kasya po dito ang dalawang SUV. So may 8B Fortuner, Montero, or Everest. So kasyang-kasya po dito sa ating 2-car garage. At makikita nyo yung ceiling height po niya, mataas din po. At yung ating ceiling is made out of PVC panels po. So yan, so iwas po sa mga cracks and mga insects. Dito naman po on the left side is our breaker panel. Modern miniature na po yan. Meiji po ang tatak. Yan. So pasok po tayo. Actually, napaka-spacious, no? Kung isa lang yung car nyo, pwede pang play area po ng mga kids nyo. Pasok po tayo sa main entrance, main door po ng ating unit, made out of solid door. Meron na pong lock din. So, makikita nyo yung ating receiving area or the foyer area. Meron na pong chandelier. All-inclusive na po. Lahat po nung nakikita nyong mga appliances, furnitures and fixtures kasama na po sa unit. Even the wall accents. So, this is actually, saglit lang po tinirhan ng owner. Nag-upgrade lang po sila ng unit na mas malaki po kasi for a growing family po. So dito po, kasama na rin po yung couch sa ating receiving area. Itong pedestal po dito and even the wall accent here. So actually, exciting tong unit ito dahil napakaraming freebies, napaka-generous ni seller. Iniwan po nila lahat yung mga premium na gamit po nila. Like this one, it's a shoe rack. So slipper and shoe rack. Yan. So kung bibili po kayo nito, medyo mahal pa po to. And makikita nyo po dito ang ating centralized air conditioning system. Dito rin po ang ating intercom. Yan. So, kasama na rin po yan sa unit. Dito po ang ating powder room. Yan. So, pababa po siya, recess po siya, dahil ginamit po, ni-utilize po yung ating understairs na space. Dito naman po sa ating function area or service area, makikita nyo po, on this side is yung ating pressurized pump and centralized water heater. So sa bawat rooms, hindi na po kayo mamomblema sa individual water heater dahil meron na pong centralized water heater. Ito rin po yung ating air well. Makikita nyo, may hangin po pero gated na rin po. Meron pong grills. On this side po, meron na rin oven, may stove po, tapos yung ating dirty kitchen. Yan. So kasama na po lahat ng nakikita nyo sa area to. Tayo sa ating second floor. So yung ating stairs, meron pong stairway light. Yan. So, dito na po tayo sa second floor. On our left corner is the kitchen area. So makikita nyo, no, as you could see dito, yung latag po ng ating, nakaseparate po yung kitchen area. So kung mausok po, meron pong adequate and ventilation dito. Dito po sa accent wall ng kitchen area, pag akyat ng stairway, meron pong fiberglass around 1/8 na clear. So makikita nyo para hindi tatagos yung mga decor natin. At the same time, dito pwede kayo maglagay ng mga ornaments, plants, or mga decor para maging mas cute po yung ating area. So dito po yung ating kitchen countertop. As you can see, made of quartz po to. So premium po yung ginamit dito. So makikita nyo yung ating mga modular cabinets. Yan. Frosted po yung glass, tapos gray finish po yung ating mga laminates. And dito po sa ating backsplash, so yung ginamit po dito, match na match po. Dirty white po na textured tiles po. So yung ating lavatory, one hole po na sink. Master po ang tatak nito, kaya matibay. Sure na hindi kakalawangin. So makikita nyo on this side naman po, nakaseparate po yung ating kitchen countertop. So digital po siya, La Germania with matching range hood na po. Kasama na rin po ito sa unit at meron na rin pong oven underneath. So at sa mga po natin, meron din mga pull-out basket na po para sa mga utensils natin as well as dun sa ibang mga cabinets. At makikita nyo dito, may adequate ventilation kung magluluto po kayo. At meron na rin pong kasama na 1 horsepower inverter type aircon. So, pasok po tayo. Yan. As you could see, grabe. What you could say is just, oh, super ganda. So, makikita po natin itong dining area natin is napaka-hotel-inspired talaga. So, kung kayo nakapag-check-in na sa 5-star hotel, ganito po yung vibes. And actually, according to the seller, so itong mga pinagawa niyang interior actually is inspired by Shangri-La Hotel. So makikita natin dito po sa ating dining table, it's a 5-seater, round marble table, customized po ito from Pampanga with Lazy Susan pa po. Yan. So comfy na comfy. Imagine dining in with your family members. So napaka-social. Even pwede kayo mag-meeting dito. Merong chandelier and cove. May kasama na rin pong aircon dito sa area nito. Lahat po ng aircon inclusive po, lahat ng makikita nyong dining, lahat ng chairs, furnitures, and fixtures kasama po. Even on the other side, merong painting na minimalist pero bagay na bagay po. Even the walls around is made out of premium wallpaper. Meron na rin pong intercom system and meron po dyang round mirror para po ma-accentuate yung ating area. Here is the utility bathroom para sa ating living room and dining area. So makikita nyo po, multi-purpose toilet and bath na rin po ito. So meron po tayong posy na lavatory with stand and yung ating water closet and yung ating shower na may shower enclosure na partial glass enclosure. So kompletong-kompleto. Wala na kayong hahanapin pa. Hello! Dito po tayo sa ating living room area. So makikita nyo, after a long day's work, you would want to chill, to relax with your family. Ito po yung ating entertainment wall na may glass panel na smoke gray po yan or bronze. So lalagyan nyo lang po yung TV nyo po dyan. Meron na pong media wall rack. Actually, itong sofa na to is bagong-bago po. Customized po, kasama yung mga chairs, kasama na po yan. And here's an antique piece. Yung ating singer na sewing machine na pwedeng patungan. Yan, kasama na rin po sa unit. At on my back is a painting na so relaxing. So, may imagine nyo na po ba yung family nyo? And air-conditioned po. Kasama na po lahat yan. And a modern, minimalist, sophisticated chandelier on top of this area. So, wala na kayong hahanapin pang iba siguro. Ito na siguro yung house na para sa'yo. So, actually, behind these curtains, nakasama na rin sa unit with this silhouette po, ay ang ating balcony area. So, actually, yung owner nito, medyo indoor type siya, hindi na po nila ginamit, nilagyan na lang po ng condenser yan sa balcony. But if you wish to use at makadungaw, pwedeng-pwede po. Secured naman po with lock po yung ating area. Excited na ba kayo pumunta ng 3rd floor? I am! Nandun kasi ang master's bedroom, one of the showcase of this unit. Tara! Hi! Welcome to the master's bedroom of this unit. As you can see, hotel-inspired na hotel-inspired, no? So, makikita mo with a luxurious king-size bed. So, yung bed frame na lang iniwan po ni owner, pati yung padded headboard niya. So, kasama na po lahat yan. So, ang kulang niya na lang is yung yung foam na memory foam bed, pwedeng 8 to 10 inches para talagang super comfy. And dito sa entertainment wall, yung TV nyo na lang po. Around 55 to 65 inches, talagang superb ang inyong Netflix experience. So kung makikita nyo dito sa floors ng ating master bedroom, so makikita nyo made of mahogany wood plank. So kahit nakapangyapak kayo, so hindi lalamigin po yung ating mga paa. On the bedside of his and hers side table na floating po. So with drawer po, so meron na rin mga saksakan in case you need to charge your phones or to listen to your iPod. So meron pong side table na may downlight na pwedeng ito na lang yung open kapag gabi na po. So hanging on top is a sophisticated modern chandelier. So dito naman po, yung air condition na 2.5 inverter kasama na rin po sa unit. This on this side is a office table. So pwede kayong gumawa ng mga errands or something, business papers nyo or your laptop, you do the computer here. And andito na rin po yung monitor ng ating CCTV. So the whole unit is inclusive of a CCTV system na po. So may mga floating cabinets, yan. So many spaces to enjoy for this master's bedroom. Meron po rin po siyang balcony, hindi na lang po nila masyado ginagamit. So, kasi parang hindi mo na kailangang dumungaw doon kasi it is indeed a paradise here inside your room. So on this side, bago po tayo pumasok sa ating ensuite toilet and bath, so makikita nyo meron isang mini wardrobe dito. Actually, titingnan nyo, ang laki-laki ng kwarto, parang kulang yung wardrobe cabinet. Let's see, sa kabila po is a walk-in closet, a full room walk-in closet. Actually, in this room, pwede nga rin kayo maglagay ng mini fridge, like in a hotel, dun sa area yon. Pwedeng may trash can dyan. So imagine, the possibilities are imaginable. So, kayo nang bumbahalang mag-decorate. Actually, damit nyo na lang siguro or certain furnitures and fixtures ang idadagdag nyo dito. Complete na po yung experience nyo for this hotel-inspired house. So, dito po sa ating bathroom. Yan. So, spacious po. Yan. So, yung ating lavatory. Yan. So, makikita nyo, gold finish po ang ating inspiration dito. Yung ating water closet dito. And here, yung ating shower area made up of cobblestone. Yan. So, dito po yung shower enclosure natin. Sliding po. So, hindi po mababasa yung area dito. So, ang finishing po niya is gray and gold combination. So, stylish, chic, and modern. This is every woman's haven. And even men. So, may mga men po na mahilig sa clothing. Oh, this is an entire room of wardrobe cabinets. So makikita nyo, ang daming space po. And air condition na rin po with chandeliers po yung ating wardrobe cabinet. Specifically po, pinalagay po to dahil yung owner mahilig po sa clothes. Yan. Across, meron pa pong isang mirror na vertical for your OOTD check before you leave the room. May mga racks dito. And here is a vanity mirror, a vanity dresser area with LED mirror. Yan. Sa pangsaksak ng blower nyo, lagayan ng mga accessories, perfumes, and everything. So, it's such a heaven. Po tayo sa ating 4th floor area, the last and final floor of this unit. On this side is a secondary bedroom. Yan. So makikita nyo may aircon na rin pong kasama, may modular cabinets, may ventilation, and kasama na rin tong dresser na to. So as we can see here, dito sa high ceiling area is a recessed chandelier. Yan, 3 circle po yan na pababa. So, it's an accent for the unit itself. So, it gives additional beauty and inspiration for the contemporary modern design. Dito po yung ating common bathroom, shared by the 2 units here. Meron na rin po siyang sariling shower area. Same po, branded po lahat ng ginamit. And dito po is an extra room. Yan, with windows. Kasama na rin po yung mga Korean blinds natin. So meron na rin pong modular cabinets na sliding. Yan. Tapos dito po, roof area po siya. Pero actually, you could still develop this area into a roof deck, a mini roof deck area at your own cost na po. So because the family who live here doesn't need the area, hindi na po nila ni-develop. So thank you for watching the full house tour of this 4-story, hotel-inspired townhouse unit here in Quezon City, very nearby every area in Sampaloc, in Manila, or in Banawe. So actually, the lot area of this, as we recap, is a 52.5 square meter lot area and a floor area of 190 square meters with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms with full-size 2-car garage here. So makikita nyo, lahat ng gamit dito sa unit kasama na. So talagang sulit na sulit sa presyong 19 million all-in, all taxes and transfers shouldered by the seller. This area is quiet, hindi flooded, accessible to markets, to schools, and even banks. So walang hassle po kung may mga kailangan kayo to hospitals and even universities around here. This is Nancy Shaw Guerrero, your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, here always at your service. So thank you for following my Facebook page, Townhouse in Sampaloc, Real Estate Brokerage, and even my YouTube vlogs. So makikita nyo itong video na to uploaded in MN and Nancy TV, or even my TikTok account, Nancy Shaw Guerrero. So till our next vlog, see you soon. Bye!